Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a dog tongue. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to learn more. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. My reference photo for this drawing wasn't very good, so I used another image to get the details that I need. I didn't want to make the tongue this purple as I felt it wouldn't be as punchy. Alright, let's get started. First, I begin with coloring the base layer. You can do this with either pan pastels like I do, pastel sticks, or pastel pencils, whatever you have on hand. You want a light, even layer of color. I use a pastel sponge to lay my underlayer. This allows me to get good coverage while also keeping many layers left for the detail work on top. For colors, I grab all my pinks, reds, and purples. You will also need some blues, grays, browns, and black. Study your reference photo to see what colors you can see. When I go in with the pencils, I start with the boldest details that I can see the most clearly and work my way up to the smaller, more hidden details. The longer you look at your reference photo, the more details you will see. When working on animals, you want to add lots of variation. In this case, there is a variation of texture. The tongue versus the gums. The tongue has a very textured surface versus the gums which have a very smooth surface. We also have the variation of color. That's why I like to grab all my pinks, reds, and purples. A dog's mouth is wet just like ours, so it's important to add some highlights. Depending on the strength of your light will determine how strong your highlights will be. As you work on more tongues, you'll pick up on the colors that you need and you'll be able to more accurately pick your colors. As you work through your tongue, you want to keep pushing your lights in your dogs to create a nice contrast. We want areas in the whole spectrum of light. Up in the front of the mouth, it's full light, and so there are lots of highlights and there are very few shadows, whereas in the back of the mouth, where the light isn't hit directly, there is more shadows and less light being penetrated. Whiskers are especially important. Most animals have them. Whiskers are especially important. Most mammals have them. They are very important for sensing their environment. So it's important to add them. Don't be afraid to re-go over your whiskers to make them bolder. We want some of them to really stand out against whatever color we have behind them. Not all whiskers are the same width, so it's important to include this variation. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other ideas on what you would like videos on, please write them in the comments below. In the meantime, please check out my other videos for you to continue your learning experience. Thank you, and until next time.